Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change the administrator in Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and make sure that the correct account is signed in. After ensuring the correct admin account is selected, go to the search bar and click on Control Panel when it appears in the search results. Next, go to the User Accounts section. In the User Accounts section, select Manage Other Accounts. This will show you a list of all the accounts on your computer. Find the target account that you want to change to an administrator and click on it. After selecting the target account, click on Change the Account Type. Here, you will see options for different account types. Select Administrator to change the account type. In my case, since my account is already an admin, I only have the option to revert to standard, but for other accounts, you will see the option to set them as administrators. So that's basically how you can change the administrator in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.